Hello, my name is Christopher and I will show you the process inside the Android games datasheet. Firstly, I drag the Android games into the Tableau and then I press the sheet. And then I change the name into market popularity analysis. And then I drag the category into rows and measure values to the columns. Now I drag the measure values to the filters and choose only total ratings. And then I drag the category to the colors and choose entire view and the measure values to the label. So from the chart, we can see that the highest total rating is the game action and the lowest total rating is game educational.
For the shades tool, I drag the measure value into rows and the measure value into filters. In the filter, I only choose 1-star ratings and 5-star ratings. And I change the title to become the average number of ratings for 1-star versus 5-star. And I drag the category into color and I change to the entire view. For the measure value, I change the sum to become average. And I drag the measure value into labels. From the chart, the game action has the highest average 1-star ratings and the highest average 5-star ratings. And the game educational has the lowest average 1-star ratings and the lowest average 5-star ratings.
We drag the growth 30 days to the colors and size and go to the labels. And then we drag the categories to the labels. Then we can see this. And then we change the standard to the entire view. And then we right click the game casino and click the keep on.
Firstly, I drag the price to the size and label. I choose pie chart to represent my data. I change it to entire view. I also put the price to the label. I change the sheet name to premium market distribution. And I put different color for each.
So lastly, I choose the question which is ranking volatility using box plot and I drag the category to columns and the rank to the rows. Then I drag the category to the color and the title to the details. Now I choose the box plot representation and change it into entire view. And then I change the rank into the average. And again, I drag the category into colors. So now from the game action, we can see that the highest average rating is WWE Mayhem and the average rating of 50 is Super Mario Run and the lowest average rating is Garena Free Firework Series.
To create dashboard, we click New Dashboard. We drag the sheet 1 to the right and followed by the sheet 2. We click on Show Dashboard Title. We click Dashboard again and we choose Format. We change the dashboard title. And we change the dashboard shading. We change the dashboard title alignment. We change the shading and followed by the border. Also, we change the shading of the worksheet titles. And the dashboard 1 is done. We create the second dashboard. We drag the sheet 3 to the right. Drag the sheet 4 to the right. We click on Show Dashboard Title again. And we click the dashboard to choose format. And we change the dashboard to titles. We change the shading of the dashboard, followed by the alignment of the dashboard titles. Change the shading, followed by the borders. And we change the shading of the worksheet titles. The second dashboard is done.
Firstly, we go to the story here, and then we go add the blank to add the columns here. And then for the first column, we drag the dashboard 1. And for the column 2, we drag the dashboard 2. And for the column 3, we drag the sheet 5. Then we can see the title for the first column, and the title for the second column, and the title for the third column. Then we go to the story there and the format. And then we change the color of the shading, which is determine the background. Then we choose the alignment from left to center and change the type of the borders and the color that we want. Then we go to change the color of the shadings. And then we go to the navigator there and then change the color of the navigators. Just now it's for the title, but now it's for the navigators. And then we go to the click the category of game arcade, then we'll highlight out the data. Then the bottom part also will be highlighted out. For the second one, it will also highlight the data out. If I click again the category of game arcade, for the top part, it also will be the same. So the viewer can interact with the data.